In this method, you will learn how you can start to make money from home even if you're broke and have no experience. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy, and if you're new to the channel, then you're in the right place to learn how you can generate an income online from home so you can finally live your life on your terms. I'll be showing you different ways of making money online and mainly focusing on affiliate marketing, which I think is the best method going forward in 2020. I will also be documenting my own journey to financial freedom and sharing what I learned along the way with you. So if that sounds interesting, then make sure you subscribe and click the notification icon so that you can be the first to see my new videos. Now let's get back to business. So in this video, I'll be showing you a variation of affiliate marketing that you can start today for absolutely free. This method is called launch jacking. Launch jacking works by finding a product that is just about to launch and getting a piece of content ranked and then profiting off the buzz around that product by selling it through your own affiliate link. So what happens is that when a product is about to be released, a lot of big affiliate marketers will tend to support each other by promoting each other's product to their own audience. Of course, they get a commission out of it, but it's a little known secret that many of these top affiliates know each other and reciprocate support during a product launch. So these top affiliates have thousands of people on their email list and across their social media accounts. They blast a few emails to their list, and that creates a flood of traffic on Google and YouTube of people searching for more information about the product. And that is where we step in with our review and demo videos on YouTube, giving them some more information about the product. In essence, you are ethically hijacking some of the traffic off of these big affiliates and getting them to purchase through your link instead. This is the general concept of the model, but I'll be going into detail showing you step by step how to get started. I'll be showing you how to find profitable products that will almost guarantee you commissions, how to apply for your affiliate link and get a review copy, what equipment and tools you need, how to structure your video, and how to upload and optimize your video. With this method, you could be making from $100 to $300 a day as a beginner without many subscribers. So the three main affiliate networks we'll be using to find our products are ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. I have left the links for all of these platforms in the description, so after you signed up, then we'll be looking for products and programs that we'll be launching in the next week at a minimum. Now I say a week as this will give you enough time to do your research and prepare all of your content, as well as having time for your videos to rank a little. So in order to keep track of all of the upcoming product launches across the three affiliate platforms, we will be using the help of a free launch calendar website called Muncheye. Muncheye will show you all of the upcoming products and will also link you to where you can get more information and your affiliate link. So let's check out some of these offers on Muncheye. So straight away we see two columns which are split into big launches and all launches. So basically the right section is a list of all of the launches coming up, and the left hand side are the launches by people who are known to have launched successful products in the past. So if we just check out this offer, we see that it has this little icon on the side that shows you what platform it's going to be launching on. And in this case it's ClickBank. Next, it shows you the product's creator, the title, the price, and the percentage of the commission that you'll be getting. Some of the things that you want to be looking out for are the product creator, the commission value, if they have cash prizes, and the JV/sales page. One of the cool things about product launches is the big cash prizes creators offer as an incentive to affiliates. For example, they may offer an extra $1,000 for people who make the most sales in the time period of the launch, as well as second and third place prizes. Most launches will have competitions and leaderboards throughout the launch period. Another reason why you want to find programs with big cash prizes is that they tend to attract a lot of the big affiliates that have a big email list and audience. This means that there will be more hype around the launch and more interest and traffic on Google and YouTube. So JV stands for joint venture. So the JV page is made to give affiliates enough information to allow them to promote the product successfully. The sales page is the page that customers will be sent to, so it's in your best interest to analyze it and make sure it looks high quality and not very spammy. A bad sign is if the sales page looks rushed, or even worse, if it doesn't even exist when you click on the link. This happens as some vendors leave it to the last few days before the launch to upload the sales page, which isn't very helpful and only shows how unorganized they are. Now what you can do is open up a spreadsheet and take down the key information pertaining to the launch, such as the product name, JV page link, and the launch date. What you want to do is go through the list of products and choose a few products that you would like to promote in that week. It's best to apply for all of your links together so you can spend the rest of your time creating content. So after you have all of your products to promote for the week, you can then add them to a calendar if you use one. Once you have compiled the list of the products that you want to promote for the week, it's time to apply for your affiliate link. Now, a lot of people find this part frustrating when first starting out, as I did also. Unlike ClickBank, most affiliate networks such as Warrior Plus require you to apply for your affiliate link. This is due to a number of factors such as different scams that take place, as well as people spamming links everywhere, which doesn't look good for the vendor. People first starting out find that sometimes they can be ignored due to not having a sales history or proof that they are genuine marketers and not just trying to scam them. So as we can see here, if we wanted to promote this product, we would have to request an affiliate link and be approved. Now, what most new people do is just click apply. Now, what you should do is write a short paragraph about yourself and how you will be promoting their product. You can also link your social media accounts and YouTube channel so they know you are genuinely looking to promote the product ethically. A really good tip that I learned from another marketer, Jono Armstrong, is to record a short video with the same information and upload it to your YouTube channel as unlisted. Then you can include that link in that video in the comment box when applying for your link. This just adds another layer of authenticity and will give you more chances of getting approved. Another tip you can use if you feel that your request has taken too long is to contact the creators directly. If you come down to any JV sales page, you usually list the product creators and their Facebook or Skype details, so you can add them there and shoot them a quick message about your affiliate link request. Some vendors always provide review access to the product before launch. However, others only give review copies to trusted affiliates, and some you just have to ask. You could also make a review of the product using information contained only on the JV and sales page as a worst case scenario, but usually you'll be given extra resources in order to review the product properly. There are a few basic pieces of equipment you need to start launch jacking successfully. These can be split up into two categories depending on if you want to show your face or not. So most of these are going to be the same except if you want to show your face. So you're going to need a good microphone, a laptop or PC, screen recording software. I recommend OBS Studio because it's free and it's really good. Video editing software, I use Premiere Pro, but you can use any other software that you find. And TubeBuddy. Now if you're showing your face, then you're going to need a camera. You could just use your webcam, or if you look online, you'll find tutorials on how to use your phone as a webcam. So before making your video review, you want to spend some time going through the sales page and the JV page. So for the review, you want to be able to explain what the product does and how it will solve the viewer's problems. When the viewer gets sent to the sales page, they do tend to be ambiguous in regards to what the method actually is. This is especially true for some of the courses. It may have some slogans or claims such as make 10k a month, this new method or whatever. So it's your job to do some digging to show the viewers that you've done them a favor by researching and clarifying certain things, especially when a lot of the information is not clear. This is even more important when you don't actually have a review copy to show them. So by doing some research for them, it will go a long way. And that is part of how you can add value. You should also talk about the price, any upsells, if it's good for beginners, and also go through the content if you have access and mention whether you feel like it can really live up to the claims that are on the sales page. An important part of your video is mentioning bonuses. Now if you're not familiar with the concept of bonuses, it is basically a marketer's incentive for a customer to buy a product through your link and not through someone else's link. These bonuses can be courses, ebooks, checklists, a private Facebook group, or email or messenger support. You can either make your own bonuses or you can purchase PLR products, which are products that grant you the rights to give or sell the content. The trick with bonuses is that you don't want to just give away 100 irrelevant bonuses. You want to give between 3 to 5 good quality bonuses that relate to the product you are promoting. It should enhance the customer's chances of success and add to the value experience they go through. You can get inspiration for your video structure by searching for other product reviews on YouTube. Aim to be more insightful and to provide more value for the customer. An example structure can be as follows. Introduce yourself and what product you will be reviewing. Next, mention the bonuses. You want to mention that you have some exclusive bonuses prepared for them, but you'll get back to that at the end of the video. Then you have the product overview. You want to briefly go through the product and how it can be used. Next, talk about the price and the structure and upsells. Then, your final thoughts on the overall usefulness of the software or course. Then you can get back to the bonuses and walk through each bonus individually and explain why you've added it and how it can help them succeed with the course or service they're about to buy. Then lastly, you want to sign off, thank them for watching your video, ask them to subscribe, to like the video, and etc. Now that you have created your video, it's time to upload it. In order to help your chances of ranking higher on YouTube, you want to optimize your title, description, and tags with your main keyword for the review product. You could use a plugin called TubeBuddy to help you optimize your videos for the YouTube algorithm. They have a free plan, so definitely check them out, and I'll leave a link in the description. Now, thumbnails are important as they help you stand out from other reviews and share important information about the content of your video. You can use Canva to make your thumbnails or any other software of your choice. I personally use Photoshop and I've made a video about thumbnails, so make sure you check this out too. Hopefully by now you would already have received your affiliate link from the vendor, so now you need to add this to the video description. You also want to use a website like Bitly to shorten your link, as it tends to be very long and not very reassuring to customers. With Bitly, you can also track the number of clicks you receive via your link, so that's an added bonus too. So now that you have uploaded your video, all you have to do now is keep making more. I don't want you to expect that you'll be making thousands of dollars from your first video, but if you're consistent and adding reviews and growing your channel, then you definitely start to see growth and can definitely hit $300 a day doing this. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about this method, and I'll definitely get back to you. And if you found this video helpful in any way, then please leave me a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.